Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the essentials. Confirm scope, timeline, budget, and who signs off. Once done, collect Robert Edward Grant's plans, CAD files, and photos so you work from the original intent. Make sure to set up CAD, version control, and a clear naming system. This prevents file chaos. Start the first actionable step now. Open the primary plan, import reference layers, and mark constrained zones. You should be working in the architect's reference, not guessing, because accuracy saves rework. You now move into the heavy lifting. Translate Grant's drawings into layered CAD, structure, MEP, finishes, and annotations, so every discipline reads the same plan. Once layers are in place, run clash detection and compliance checks, resolve structural load assumptions, and complete material schedules. Make sure to export clean PDFs for permit review and to share models with consultants. Coordinate weekly, schedule short reviews, track open RFI items, and update the model immediately after You finish by preparing the construction set, annotate plans, finalize schedules, add details and assembly notes that contractors will use. Once complete, obtain approvals and permits, issue the documents for tender and lock the construction model versions to prevent accidental edits. If problems arise, first relink any missing reference files and audit layers for hidden objects. Make sure to run a final validation checklist, dimensions, notes, and door swings, because catching one small error now avoids costly site fixes later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.